Let's see how many of you are here. I had a little bit of an internet issue earlier. I had a lot of internet issue. Okay, let's peep this out, hide that. Let's have the Google Classroom out. So I have assigned a quiz on here. Let me see how it works. Please tell us your name as you're joining in. Hi, Rahman. Thanks for joining in. Let's give everyone else a few minutes. Today I had a few issues with the internet in the beginning, so that's why it took a few minutes. Uh, I wasn't going live. Okay, so I'm gonna start um, with perimeter. I want to first start with the quiz. This is the one. So now I'm gonna assign it to you guys. Okay, so Naima and Tahia haven't joined yet. Let me actually call them. Grammar quiz 03/31/2020. Right now. Next. Or maybe a little later. Maybe I'll do it at 2:30. No. To at 2:15. That's good. And that's today's date. And assign game. Okay, so Raman, if you're the only one here so far, go to this website, or you should have gotten an invite anyways. Joinmyquiz.com, put this code in and join the quiz and start working on it. Okay, Naima, welcome to class. So as you guys are joining in, you should first see a quiz in your Google Classroom as part of the classwork, grammar quiz. You could click on it. If you guys are using a computer, click on the web link. If you're using an iPad, click on this. I'll click on the web link right now to show you guys. Join in with your Google. Okay, let's say join in with this. No, I don't want to join with that. I join with this. It's gonna say allow, and I'm gonna join the game. Okay, so the name, I don't know, it should say Juli's tutorial, or you should say your name on it, and then you click start. I'm not doing it, obviously. Okay, so also if you can't do that, then try this one. Go to joinmyquiz.com and enter the code. Okay, and let me know if you guys are having issues with it. Let me know what happens once you guys do it at the same time. Let me know if you guys are having an issue joining it. Okay, you could just put in any birthday. It doesn't have to be a real one if you don't want to put that in. You could just put anything that it should identify your age. That's it. I'll try it on this end actually. I'm gonna try it here. Did you guys get to do it? Or no? If not, we're just moving on to something else and I'll assign this at the end. Okay, I don't know then what is happening. I'm not sure why you're saying it's expiring. Okay, doesn't matter. Alright, so I wanted to actually start off with that just because I wanted to test your thing, but I can also just yeah. Do a completely different thing. So on the screen I'm gonna do triangle. Sorry, I clicked on the this one doesn't have that many triangles. This is gonna be easy for you guys. Okay, so on the screen right now you guys should see find the perimeter of each triangle. Okay, find the perimeter and area. Okay, I know it says just the perimeter. I would like you guys to find the no, for these you have to just choose the perimeter. Okay, so then let's not do this one. I want to do the one that's area. Oh, so Naima, the quiz is working for you? Okay. I don't know, Raman, then why it's not working for you. And But Raman, in the meantime, could you write down these questions in your notebook? It's look on the screen. This is the one. Too many are open today. So Tahia is not here yet. Okay, no problem. That's fine. Nah, Naima, if it's giving you trouble, don't worry about it. Just write down the questions on the board. I'm going to start going over this topic in about 2 minutes. Okay. Let's go over it. Hmm. Let's pull this out on this one. Which one are we doing? Perimeter and area 3. Okay, all right. First one is very easy. We are gonna just say the perimeter and area ourselves. The perimeter of each side is 15, since it's a square is obviously 60. And then the area, you just do 15 times 15 to find the area, which is also very easy. This is a like a more of like a fifth grade thing. Okay, so this is a square, all sides are equal, that's why. Now the next one we have is a is the triangle. So the triangle one I want to go over. The area is 225. 15 times 15. It's not 325. Okay, now the next one. I see 4 people on this. Yes, nine. That's it. 4 people on this chat, and technically should be 2 students and myself. So Tamjidu or Tahia, if you guys are on chat with us, please say hello. Please say that you're here. Also, yeah, Tamjidul is missing today too, which. And the next question is the triangle. So we have a triangle. Who can tell me the area formula of a triangle? If you know it, please write it. Area of a triangle. Okay, we're gonna draw 9 meters, and this is 4 meters. First we're finding the perimeter, and then we're finding the area. Okay, and something that this was told was that this was a equilateral triangle. This was an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means all sides are equal, so therefore all these sides are the same. So therefore the perimeter is basically 4 plus 4 plus 4, which is 12. But the area, who can tell me that? Do any of you know? So if it's fine, so write this down very carefully. See, the area formula of a triangle is always base times the height divided by 2, where the base, which is the bottom line, basically whatever is standing on, is right here, and the height is right here. Okay, so now base is 4, height is 9 divided by 2. 4 times 9 is 36, divided by 2 is 18, and that is the area. Okay, who's understanding this? Let's do another one. Let's not do the next one. Let's do the one right below it. This triangle. Okay, this is a right triangle. Alright, and it says find the perimeter. So basically we're doing this one. We're doing this one. Find the perimeter, this one. This is the one that we're doing right now. Find the perimeter and area of the right triangle if the height is 6 and the base is 3. So we have a right triangle here. So we got the height, which is 6. Okay, and the base was... Hi Tamjidul, you are a little late. We are going over some triangles. Scroll back a little bit so you see which one we're doing. Please try to be here on time. Base was 3. As I have mentioned earlier, the area of a triangle is okay. Tahia, hello, how are you? Also a bit late, guys. If 2 o'clock is not working for 6th graders, let me know what time works. I can just like work around a little bit. Usually I go from the higher grades to younger students, so that's what you guys felt like right in the middle. Okay, so I start with the higher grades and then I'm keep going down. So actually, next class I'm gonna go to 3rd now, and then 4th, 5th, so like that. I did the middle for in the middle. If it doesn't work, let me know, we can change around. So if you're just joining in, scroll back a little bit on the video so you see what we're doing. We are doing these questions right now. The one that's highlighted on the board, this one. We're finding the perimeter and the area of the right triangle, and this is the right triangle that we are working on. Okay, so we also already learned that the formula for to find the area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2, which sometimes we abbreviate to just this. This is what I'm going to use from now on instead of writing it every time. So base in this case is 3 because that's the number on the bottom. Height in this case is 6 because height is standing up. It's standing up right here. So this is my height. It's like if I were to ask you what's your height and you guys would tell me what your height is. And the height is going to be 6, and then I'm going to divide that by 2. Okay, which means it's gonna be 3 times 6, 18, divided by 2, 9. So the area of this triangle is 9. Okay, okay, so the next question we're gonna go over is going to be another triangle. I'm just gonna give it to you guys. Okay, so we're gonna draw another triangle, another right triangle. what is the area of this triangle. We always write the area formula on the top. So what we're doing, we're writing base times height divided by 2. Where base is this one, the bottom. Base is the bottom and height is 9. And height is 9. So area becomes 8, which is the base, times 9, which is the height, divided by 2. 72 divided by 2, area is 36. Good. So you guys are understanding so far. Perfect. Now I want you guys to find the no, that's not the right one. Just gonna look up some examples. Area of triangles, PDF. Yeah, this is a good one. So I want right now you guys to look on the board, or on the screen, and copy down number 1 to 4. Yeah, copy down number 1 to 4. Tell me if you guys can see it clearly. Number 1 to 4. And then we're gonna go over it. Yes, I can send it to you guys too. Let me first check if it... No. Okay. Okay guys, I will do this for you. We go to Google Classroom. 6th grade. Area of triangle, create docs. Okay, so I just posted it on Google Classroom. You guys just pull it out from there too if you don't see it carefully. Okay. I just assigned it, so you should be able to see it if you pull it out there. Otherwise, I'm obviously gonna have it right on the screen. Right on the screen. You're only copying down 1 to 4 for now. And is it better now? It should be better. So I should always do this on doc. Number 1 to 4, you can copy it down. We'll do number 6 too. Okay, so as you guys just, I'm gonna give you like 30 seconds to do that, and then I'm gonna start going over it. Okay, so keep copying it down. First question was this triangle. We have a triangle like that. If I moved on from the screen too fast, you could just always go back a little bit. This is 17 inch, and the height is 10 inch. Okay, so now my area is going to be base times height. Base is 17. Times it by the height, which is always the side that's standing up. 10. We got 170 divided by 2. $170 divided by 2 is how much? It's going to be, you guys tell me. This is the one that you guys are doing, right? Yeah. 85. Okay, next. Second one. So we're going to do the second one from this one, 19 and 15. We have kind of like a right triangle, but we don't know, it's not a right triangle because it doesn't have line straight like that. It's a little tilted. But the beauty of these triangles is that they actually mention what the height is, which they always will every time they assign you. This is the height, and the height is 19 millimeters. And this is 15 millimeters. So base, which is going to be 15, times it by the height, which is 19, divided by 2, and get 15 times 19, 285. This is not divisible like by 2, so we're gonna have a remainder. So the answer is gonna be, you tell me. My moon, what are you doing on this one? You're not supposed to be here right now. You're supposed to be here at the 3rd grade one. This is 6th grade going on still. Okay? Naima is supposed to be here. And the answer for that one is going to be 142.5. Okay, next. We have, oh, not this. What is the area? Okay, so the area for this one is 9 kilometers. .24 is the height, and the base is 77. Area, base times height divided by 2. Area is 24 times 77 divided by 2. 924, because 24 times 77 is 1848. Divided by 2, we get 924. And that's the area for this one. Then we have last one that we're gonna do for today is 11 and 19. Base times height divided by 2. 19 times 11 divided by 2. So 19 times 11 is 209. Divided by 2, we are getting 104.5. Are you guys understanding so far? Is this easy? So for homework, there's only 4 more questions here that you guys should be doing for homework. So you should do this 4 questions for homework. So try to copy them down in your notebook right now. If not, it is still in the Google Classroom. And another thing I would like you guys to copy down is this circle. So I want you guys to, in your notebook right now, copy down this circle. Draw this circle. It says find the area and circumference of the circle. So I'm actually gonna do it myself for you. D equals 16. Alright, so this is another question that's going to be, I didn't go over the topic, but I'm just gonna give it to you guys and see for if we just show you once if you do it. Okay, so we have a circle here, terrible circle. I'm going to try to redraw that circle. Okay, and D right here equals to 16. Where D basically means diameter. Okay? And you are finding the area and the circumference. The circumference basically means the perimeter. Okay, so I'm going to give you guys the formula down here, where D stands for the diameter, R stands for the radius. Okay, and diameter is basically twice as much as the radius. Okay, so in this case, the diameter is 16. The radius is going to be half of that, since diameter is twice as much as the radius. Radius in this case is 8 and diameter is 16. So copy all of this down. Then the formula for the area is pi radius square, and the circumference formula is pi 2 times the radius. Use this formula, use the value I just gave you to find what the area and the circumference of this circle. And that will be the last thing for today. This is your homework, and also you have to finish the 4 other questions in the triangle sheet, which is in your Google Classroom. Copy this down since this isn't. Try to figure it out. I gave you the formula, I gave you the values, I didn't show you how to do it, but if you learned it already, great, very easy. If you didn't, you should be able to figure it out on your own anyways. Stay safe. Please try to be here on time at 2 p.m. If it doesn't work for you, please let me know, because I don't want to start late. Today I started like 2-3 minutes late because my internet wasn't working and for a little bit, but like you guys shouldn't be joining in 30 minutes late. Stay safe. See you tomorrow at 2 p.m. again.